All right, let's dive into something game-changing today. I just got my hands on Nichesss from AppSumo. Look at this, super clean branding right out of the box. First impression, the dashboard looks sleek and intuitive. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. So what is Nichesss exactly? It's an AI-powered platform for content and idea generation. You get instant content, images, and niche ideas. Perfect for entrepreneurs, marketers, and content creators. Let's check out the main features together. First up, the Reddit search tool. This lets you analyze subreddit data for niche insights. Advanced filters make finding profitable markets a breeze. I love how user-friendly the interface feels. Next, there are over 150 curated content tools. Everything is organized in one intuitive dashboard. Let's try generating some business ideas. Just type in a keyword and hit go. In seconds, I get up to 50 tailored ideas. Seriously, that's fast, no more creative blocks. Now, let's test the content creation tools. I'm making a Facebook ad for a new product. Nichesss generates copy and images instantly. The results are surprisingly relevant and catchy. You can also create Google ads, emails, social posts, all with just a few clicks. Huge time saver. Switching platforms? No problem, it adapts easily. Multi-channel campaigns are so much easier now. Let's talk about productivity. Nichesss promises results in under a minute. Honestly, it delivers. Everything is super quick. I can brainstorm, create, and launch in record time. The niche profitability metrics are a standout feature. They help me spot trends before they go mainstream. I feel like I'm always one step ahead. The AI suggestions are actually practical, not generic. I appreciate the depth of market research tools. If you're an experienced merchant, you'll love this. Even beginners will find the learning curve gentle. The interface guides you through every step. No more juggling dozens of separate tools. Nichesss brings everything together in one place. Let's talk about value for money. AppSumo's deal for Nichesss is honestly unbeatable. You get lifetime access for a fraction of the price. I've tried other platforms. Nothing matches this bundle. Would I recommend Nichesss? Absolutely. It's boosted my productivity and creativity overnight. If you want instant content and niche ideas, try it. Perfect for marketers, creators, and entrepreneurs. But don't just take my word for it. Check out the AppSumo deal before it's gone. I'll drop the link below so you can grab it. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Thanks for watching my honest review and unboxing. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.